Hello everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to make downloads continue in sleep mode on Windows 11. To start, go to the Start menu by clicking on the Start button or pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. In the search bar, type Control Panel and click on the Control Panel app from the search results. Once the Control Panel opens, look for an option called Power Options and click on it. In the Power Options window, you will see different power plans, such as Balanced and Power Saver. Select the plan you are currently using. For example, if you are using the Balanced plan, click on Change Plan Settings next to it. In the settings for your selected power plan, you will see two options: Turn off the display and Put the computer to sleep. To ensure that your downloads continue, change both settings to Never. This will prevent your computer from entering sleep mode while downloads are active. Next, click on Change Advanced Power Settings. A new window will appear with various power settings. Scroll down and look for the Hard Disk section. Expand this section by clicking on the plus sign next to it. You will see an option labeled Turn off hard disk after. Adjust the time here based on how long you expect your download to take. For example, if your download will take about 12 hours, set the value to 720 minutes. If it will take 24 hours, set it to 1440 minutes. After entering the appropriate value, click Apply and then OK. Finally, click Save Changes in the main power plan settings window. Your computer will now stay active during downloads, even if it is in sleep mode. That's it. That's how you can solve the problem of making downloads continue in sleep mode on Windows 11. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.